Community Center. My guess is you know what that is. If you don't know what it is, you've certainly heard about it, I would imagine. And if you haven't, well, hang on. We're going to tell you all about it now. I want to welcome my guests who are here with me today. Emily Dyer, who is the Executive Director of the Americana World Community Center, and also Christy Elliott Gonzalez, who is a nurse practitioner. First, let me say big, huge thank you, because I would guess in this last 2 years, you've been beyond busy.
Yes, I think many of the community services we've had in Louisville have been at or beyond capacity, but we're trying to do the best that we can. No,
you do better than the best that you can, and we thank you. Just to start off, let's talk about, so everybody understands, what Americana World Community Center is.
So Americana World Community Center provides education and social support services for immigrants, refugees, and low-income residents in South Louisville. We've been there since 1993. We're the largest English as second language adult learning site and the second largest GED site. We provide youth services, we provide family education, intergenerational learning, we have a community garden, we have a FiberWorks program, and we have excellent partners like the family health centers who are also on our campus.
So I think for me, I've had the pleasure of being there and doing something, you know, helping in any way since you all started. But what is the most exciting for me, you have all of these different people. A lot of them speak different languages, but they come together and laugh and share what's important to them, like their food or their dancing or their culture or their language. And I have sat back before at a few of you all's festivals and just said, look at the world getting along here. It's like family and community. It's just unbelievable.
Yeah, I love that. Look at the world getting along.
That's what I look around and I just am tickled. And it's funny because one sometimes doesn't even understand the other one. But, you know, they've made something and they're like, you know, they put the food in their mouth and they all go, oh, okay, yeah. I mean, it is just the best. So what now is the Family Health Centers? That has not been around since '93, right?
Well, actually, we've been around since 1976.
Oh my gosh, so that's older.
Yes, so Family Health Centers is a community health center system in Louisville that served underserved communities since 1976. Our original clinic is in Portland, so a lot of people refer to it as the Portland Clinic.
Okay, so that's why I'm not connecting one with the other.
Right. And so over the years we've grown, and we now actually have 7 sites in different communities of Louisville. We have a site that is downtown that specializes in meeting unique needs. We have the Phoenix Healthcare Clinic for the homeless. That's one of the unique sites we have. And we also have, in 2007, we opened family health centers at Americana because we recognize the need, as well as with other community leaders, the importance of having access to primary and preventive care in the south side of Louisville.
Okay, so you just spit out a mouthful that would take about 10 years for us to just really, because you're talking about immigrants, you're talking about low-income people regardless of where they're from. You're talking about parts of the city that just have not had some things that other people have had. But we want everybody to be healthy. We want everybody to be able to think they have a place that they can come in and someone will serve them. But in order to do that, what do you all need? What do we help you with? Because all of that takes funding.
Yeah, absolutely. So Americana and the Family Health Centers have put together a proposal for community project funding. So communities can request funding from their U.S. representatives for projects that are important to them. We have partnered to expand our clinic by renovating a wing of Americana Community Center for the medical clinic. Americana's clinic is really unique. It provides services for immigrant and refugee and new Americans here in our community. They also provide the Survivors of Torture Services, which is a national model, and it's a really unique project and program that we have on the Americana campus. Currently, the health center is in 2 modulars behind our building. There are 4 exam rooms for 3 providers when it would be more appropriate to have 3 exam rooms for 3 providers.
Yeah, makes sense.
So we're hoping to renovate a 10,000 square foot space.
Wait a minute, Emily, you just said we're hoping.
We will.
There you go. That's what I say. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and claim that now. Claim that now. When you say that, though, if businesses have the tools you need, or the help you need, or the products that you need, do you need that? Are you looking for people to help in that way?
Right now, we need support through letters, through emails, through money, to lift this project up. We are beginning the fundraising for this campaign, but also, most importantly, lifting up this project that we have recently requested through John Yarmouth's office.
Okay, so I just want to make sure that we are clear in what we want people to do. And I only say this because a lot of times when things need to get done, folks will call here and they'll say, well, call your state representative or call your Metro Council member. They're like, I don't know how to do that. How do you suggest folks start so they can help you make a difference? Because you can talk to the people that you voted for. You voted them in, you can talk to them. How do you suggest they start all this process? What do you want them to do?
They can handwrite letters and send them directly to Congressman John Yarmouth's office. They can also send emails to Congressman John Yarmouth's office, or they can call. That's probably the best way.
And this is for the 2023 funding, so you need to get to it now.
Yes.
All right, for you, Christy, is there anything that you want to make sure that you say today that folks know?
Well, I think Family Health Centers that's had a tradition of dedication to the underserved populations of Louisville. And specifically with Family Health Centers Americana, we are often the first place that people might visit as a medical clinic after arriving in the United States. We care for people that have lived here for years. We care for people who have lived here 2 months. And when our space is to the point right now where it's very limited in what we're able to do because we've expanded our services so much.
Just no room.
Behavioral health, we have very intense case management, we have community health workers, and we all work as a team very, very well to provide the best care that we can within those 4 humble walls. But now we know that we need a space that's adequate and inviting, and this is what's going to help us lift it up.
All right, make sure you let us know when it's done so we can have you back and we can get some really great pictures. You all, if you can help in any way, please do that. Write John Yarmouth, if you will do that too, our representative. And I thank you very much for all the work you do. And please tell everybody I said hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, at Americana there. Okay, there's another program and they